Hi, this is Abid Kazmi for DCTV USA, and here are the major headlines. Apple is hosting its first product event of 2021 on Tuesday. The event, with the tagline Spring Loaded, will likely focus on new iPads along with a product that has been in years in the making. The rumor mill is buzzing with the potential debut of AirTag. It's a tile-like Bluetooth locator that attaches to and helps you find items such as keys, wallets, laptops, or even your car. The virtual event will be held out of Apple's headquarters in California. People hoping to drive across the border between Ontario and Quebec on Monday morning were greeted with COVID-19 related checkpoints. Police officers were placed on all five bridges between Ottawa and the Western Quebec as well as interprovincial ferries. Authorities will also do stops in Quebec essentially during the curfew. Quebec officials are asking Ontario residents to only enter the province for access to a residence, humanitarian reason, medical concern, schooling, or for court appearances, and the transportation of goods. These moves come as Ontario is seeking a surge in confirmed cases of COVID-19 and officials hope this will limit the spread of the virus. More than 10 million vaccine doses have been given in Canada so far. Here's your chance to buy an entire town. For $2.7 million, you can own the tiny town of Nipton, California. Population only 25. The town was slated to become a cannabis consumption destination for people looking to get away, but the idea went bust. The pandemic added further pain and forced a closure. Despite the trouble, one man who lives there says Nipton has a rich and colorful past. The town's current owner believes there is a bright future for Nipton. 30 years ago, her late husband bought the town, hoping to revive it into a modern, green, and sustainable community. She hopes a new owner would attempt something similar. Ahead of President Biden's summit on climate change this week, the Secretary of State says the issue also has national security implications. Secretary Anthony Blinken says with ice caps melting in the Arctic, Russian gas tankers were able to take a northern sea route in February for the first time ever. Meanwhile, China is also stepping up its presence in the Arctic. The Chinese also pose a threat on the economic front, leading the US in many forms of renewable energy like solar panels, windmills, and batteries. Secretary of State Blinken says it's past time for the US to take definitive action. Thank you for watching. For more news and updates, please click on our link tree.